Video. I am your big guy from Emotional Marine. Alright, so I'm gonna be talking about my new video, and it's about how to sketch like a pro. A pro, a pro, a pro. You wanna be a pro? Of course you wanna be a pro. Now I'm gonna draw some circles here. When you're drawing normally, you draw with smooth lines, right? You draw like, okay, I wanna draw like smooth things, and you wanna make objects like defined and perfect. But I'm going to tell you this: if you want to draw smooth, it's not going to be like that. When it comes to sketching, like you don't use smooth lines like this and make things perfect. And objects are looking with there's more clean lines. You're gonna use three things. You're gonna use a lot of thin lines when it comes to sketching. Number two, you're gonna use a lot of straight lines and a lot of and there's gonna be a lot of chaos and a lot of disturbances like this. Straight lines, another one, straight lines, straight lines, straight lines, straight lines. Everything is defined with straight lines. As you can see here, everything here is defined with straight lines. It's not curvy. It's not. It's more extended. It's not perfect. It's just something to define the boundary of the drawing. Like also, I can use like wavy lines like this one here. You can use lots of wavy lines, and this can be also be really up for it, right? And I think that people who like try to do things like this, they make mistake of trying to make their drawings look um you know like try to make it smooth quickly. You want to get to the finishing very quickly, but I expect you to just focus on the sketches and make the sketch perfect first before you start tracing anything. And that's what's the first thing I'm going to expect here. So let me just give you an example here. This is a sketch of a head, but it's not a perfect head. I'm going to show you. It could be an alien head, it could be a human head, I don't know yet, but whatever it is, it's just a sketch of a head, neck, and the body, and the nose, and whatever it is. So this sketch is just another example I would like to put down for anyone who is trying to, get to understand this stuff. Now, okay, so here's that. And I think that most people, let's put this aside. I'm going to draw something more cleaner, a sketch that shows a lot. I'm not going to trace anything, no tracing. I'm going to just show you that sketches can be beautiful. And you might think sketches are not beautiful, but they are also beautiful. Let me just show you this one, right? So remember to subscribe, please, and hit the notification bell, and I would love it to subscribe. You haven't comment that you've subscribed. If you want to comment, I would reply to you very quickly. Now, okay, so here it is. Now you sketch something really nice here, and we sketch the hair, we sketch everything out. Now, this doesn't look beautiful to you yet, but I'm going to show you that it's going to look really nice when you're sketching without even tracing anything. And I'm going to trace anything out yet. It's going to be sketching, and I'm going to show you that. So here it is. So when you're sketching, and you keep on going and going, and then you just, raise that little bit of tension. Although you are going to define in more thicker lines on some areas that you believe or you're certain that is perfect for the drawing. Here it is, and here we are. And okay, so we now keep on going. Add some more definition, more forms to the body. We're adding more. I'm going to be treating anatomy. I've been promising I was going to treat anatomy and a lot of body position things, but very soon I'll treat that. Now let's focus on this. And okay, so now you can see we define a lot about the ears. We had more hair. I guess adding more hair. I want the hair to fall towards the neck. And okay, yeah. And also let's add some other details to the head. Let's add some horns. Yeah, some horns will look good. And I think this is really nice in its own way. This is really great. And okay, so I think this is perfect for anyone who who wants to get a little bit of sketch, and I think this is really awesome. Okay, so you can see that it looks pretty nice. Like it doesn't have to be like, oh, smooth lines. I need to get my smooth lines. Sometimes you can sketch and get something really cool out of something. Like you can really get sketching, get something really nice out of something. So some people will like look at something and they'll be like, oh my god, like sketches. And I think that you should just be more. Uh, I think you should just be more uh, free with it, and I guess that's and let the flow, let the art flow be with you. Like in Star Wars, let the Force be with you. You know what? Forget that joke. Okay, forget I said that joke. Okay, so now, okay, here we go, and we just keep doing this and this and this and this, and so here we are. Alright, so let's have some paint on the eyes. I think this paint on the eyes looks like really nice. I mean, like you can see that the paint. I mean, like maybe I just thought maybe I just had it at my last thought. It was my last thought to had the paint to the eyes. I'm not really sure about that, but okay, let's add the orange and okay. So I think this is really nice, and yeah, I think it came out real good. It came out really good, and I think this gives that perfect cover for it, right? So, and yeah, I think this is I hope you like it. I hope you like it. You can see how beautiful the sketch can be. Can you see how beautiful a sketch can be? I mean, like seriously, like I don't know, like if you guys know what I'm saying right now, but I hope you can see that a sketch can really be beautiful. And I mean really beautiful, like seriously beautiful, right? Like, right. It's just... So I use in this sketch I use a lot of thin lines, and also I use a lot of straight lines also, and I also use a lot of, and let I start curving them out. You can see that the shoulders were straight lines. Now I've curved them out. I've used curves now. I'm using curves. I only use curves last. Like I start using curves that's at the last minutes. Like I started using curvy lines at the last minute. So and that's what happens here. So yeah. So that I think this is basically what's the best idea I can give to you. And okay, let's see. Right. So now I feel that the video. Okay. So I think okay. I think we've seen what sketches can do, and sketching like a pro. I hope you guys learn some things about sketching like a pro, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you love this. If you love this video, please subscribe, and I really appreciate it, right? And thanks for watching. Bye. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be posting some other videos very soon, and please subscribe and have a nice time. Thank you.